Yeah. Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make one of these bookmark thingies that you click, like on YouTube, and it'll take you right to where you want it to go. So first, you're going to open a new tab if you want. Then you're going to click add shortcut. It's going to open this. Then, let's just say I want to open custom cursors. Then I'll just type custom cursor. Then you click go. See, look, I have a custom, in another video, it'll show you how you do that. A custom cursor right here. Now, I'm going to come up here and click this, make it the big kind. Then I'm going to go like this and do Control-C. Then I'm just going to close the tab. Now, I'm going to go ahead here and type what I want. Custom, custom cursor. Then, I'm just going to capitalize those two C's. Then I'm going to go here and do Control-V. Then I'm going to click Done. So now right here I have my custom cursor. I'm going to click on it. And right here I go to Custom Cursor wherever I want. Since I already have one of those, right here, Custom Cursor, I'm going to remove the shortcut. But this is what you can do. You can go up here and click on this and change your cursor, but in another video, it'll come up at the end. But guys, bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Oh yeah, and don't forget to watch the other video on how to change your cursor. Bye.